You know why I like coming to this hub a lot is because the signs in the area. You know you're in a crazy area when you got signs like this going on here. You got rattlesnakes, enter at your own risk. They're serious too. Cruising. And I am back. So I had to get into this unboxing straight off of this amazing atrocity. Just open this nicely. Didn't need too much of that actually. There we go. The moment that you and I have been waiting for. And check this out, this Nike SB box. See what it says right here. It's a size 11 Nike SB Dunk Low OG US. All right, it came in one piece. Let's see if I know my shoes and open it this way. There we go. First time, first time. Ooh. That new sneaker smell. If you understand, then you understand. Let's take it out for a second. Oh. That is intoxicating. Nothing like opening up a shoe. Whoa. Actually, I didn't know about this. I haven't been looking up a lot of videos on the sneaker because I wanted to be fresh when I got it. But wow, that is crazy looking. Even the tongue, that's the thing that I didn't know. The tongue itself is not one piece. It's actually, again, sewed in with that material, that clear material. That is surprising. So as I take out the other one, I want to talk about the shoe itself, the history. So as you know, these are the Sandy Nike SBs. And why are they called Sandy? Well, Sandy Bodecker. Again, rest in peace to the GOAT, the godfather of the SB line. And this is a big throwback and callback to the 2003 Nike SB eBay, which for any sneakerhead out there, any SB head would know that was one of the legendary shoes that there was literally one or two. And the reason why is the reason why these look like the way they look. Story has it is that one pair was actually auctioned off and the second pair was cut up, and the reason why was to make that first pair that was auctioned off a one of one. And that goes into Sandy Bodecker being in 1982 a footwear test coordinator for Nike, which drove him and put him right in line to become the first general manager of the Nike skateboarding division. When you think about that, the success of the Nike SB division all the way until he became VP of special projects right around 2012. But as you all know, it is cemented and he is known for the SB division. So these are just amazing. Look at this on the bottom. The soles itself look crazy. These slices in there are actual slices. It's incredible. It's amazing. One thing I heard of is that the insole's very stylized. So I see the first one here. That is crazy. Again, I love these insoles in a lot of these SBs. I have a few in my collection that I just love. SB Gibsons, which I love the insole of those. The Mosquitoes I have. This is the one that I wanted to see. Let me see. Oh man, dang. You know what? That hit me. Ooh, that hit me right there. Look at that picture. Wow. That is just something I gotta say. Rest in peace. Again, Sandy Bodecker. We lost a legend. Seriously, we lost a legend. That's why I hope that a lot of people through this shoe will understand not just the legacy of this shoe, the design, the story, everything that went with it will push more of the information that people don't know about Sandy Bodecker or Alexander Bodecker, if you understand, if you know what I'm talking about. I just love the backstory of all of this stuff. This is why it goes back to my thrifting and everything I find, because everything has a story, and sadly, not everything is told. There's a lot out there that needs to be known and talked about. On the tongue here, it's not a normal Nike SB tag. It actually says SB. We got the swoosh and it's hashtag Nike SB forever. And definitely, most definitely. And you have to understand that for me, the Nike Dunk silhouette, for a lot of people, means a lot in the fact that these are Nike skateboarding. And the fact is that I do skate my dunks. So these are my sweet beats. Go Skateboarding Day 2022. Started skateboarding again from 2007. So it is 2022 and I'm still going strong with the Nike SB Dunk. That's why having this in the collection, not just the legacy of the eBay Dunk, but going to Sandy Bodecker and what Nike SB history really means to a lot of people. And not just that, Nike history in general. Just another must-have, and I am so happy to pick these up. Thumb this all up. I just gotta say thank you to Nike for having these available, because if not, I probably would have bought them for resale. They are an amazing out there piece. Not only the story that goes along with it, but everything that goes along with it. I just gotta say thank you for watching. If you're here because of the thrifting, if you're here because of my real versus fake videos, or if you're here because of this sneaker video, thank you. So with that, I'm just gonna say what I always say. Hit that sub button because more videos are coming. This was Mick from Fresh from the Flea. gosh.